Today we are going to make a clipboard using this cutting board from IKEA. This is the name of it if you're looking to find it on their website. I think it was about $3 or so. And it is like a bamboo type, and can't wait to show you how it engraves. All right, so I do have my cutting board in here, and I have the bottom lined up with the camera up here, because that is the area that is going to engrave. All right, we have this in here now, and we're gonna line it up as best as possible. And you can kind of put in whatever design you would like. I have the engraving set to acacia board, which is 1070. So we're gonna go ahead and click print and make sure it loads correctly. So once your cutting board is in there, your design is set, go ahead and click engrave, and it'll start engraving. All right, that cutting board is done. And you can see like different lines in here, and that's just because of the bamboo. You can see how there's different variants in the wood and things like that. So you're gonna get that with this type of bamboo. I also got a bunch of these off of Amazon, and I have little itty bitty nails. So what I'm gonna do is just screw is not nails. Screw those into those, and I'm gonna need 2 hands to do this, so I won't be able to video it. But you're just going to want to go ahead and do that quick. And here's what it looks like when it's finalized.